Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick review video. This is a nighttime video recording of the DJI Pocket 2. This is Malaysia in Kuala Lumpur, just crossing over the arch into Petaling Jaya. And I just got the DJI Pocket 2 a couple of days ago. Right now I am mounting the camera onto my dashboard with a quarter-inch screw mount and connected onto my wireless microphone using the do-it-all handle. And this is recording basically a fixed mount on the car, and it's about 8:30 p.m. at night. So it's all dark right now. There is no more sunlight, and all the lights are basically light bulbs outside in the roads. And this is recorded using auto mode. So I haven't seen a recording, or haven't done a recording of a nighttime travel before. So I am just going to let this run for a bit. But also in the meantime, I am going to test the wireless microphone, which is being recorded right now, compared to if I turn it off. So if I turn off the wireless microphone, so right now I am recording on the built-in microphones on the Pocket 2. I haven't heard personally on the quality difference. We are crossing the center of Petaling Jaya State, and I need to check the footage on the big screen later. But we are just passing Petaling Jaya State and heading towards Sunway. So it's mounted onto my dashboard, and this is the federal highway. The roads are fairly smooth, although a section has been just tarred over, so there could be little slight bumps along the way. And that is basically me talking on the built-in microphone that is built into the DJI Pocket 2. Let me turn on the wireless microphone again, because I think that would be better in filtering out some noise. Now I am connected back on the wireless microphone, and the wireless microphone is clipped onto my t-shirt collar. So we are passing through a fairly dark stretch of the federal highway. The street lamps are not working, although we have a lot of advertisement signs along the way. So let's just record the video and go along the way, and then we will check out the footage in the big screen. Just passing by a very big signboard of a iPhone 12 advertisement. Let's see if it's being recorded well, or how fuzzy it gets. Other than that, there are small signs, LED signboards in the middle of the highway of some advertisements. There is one big red LED sign, blue now, that we are just coming towards. and traffic. Just let me make a quick check if there's any roadblocks here. No roadblocks, not that I can see. But, I'm just going to be very careful when I pass through this area. So no roadblocks. That's good. Now on my screen, on that little tiny screen, that big sign on the left hand side looks a bit fuzz off, but I got to check it out on the big screen to see how that is. And we are passing by some factories on my left hand side, so you can see like the icons for Anchor, Guinness, Heineken, Tiger and Apple Fox with blue color. We've passed by that now, and we are just turning into the ramp up into Sunway. Just turning into a small ramp, very lowly lit ramp. Interested to see how well this footage turns out. Very bumpy road also along the way, and also this video being recorded for like 10-15 minutes. With the AC blowing towards it, hopefully that stabilizes the heat a little bit, I hope. To a very dark section of the road, but on the screen it actually looks really bright actually. Let me put on my glasses just to have a look. The Pocket 2 screen looks pretty good, very well lit, I mean. Waiting for the traffic light. You're just gonna we are turning into Sunway City. And it is 8:30 at night at the moment. Keen to see how well it records shop houses or shop lots at night. So let's get into the business area of Sunway Pyramid. Okay, the dashboard is vibrating terribly, but let's see how well the footage is being stabilized by the camera. Oh, just now it was like just shaking so badly. Okay, traffic isn't good, and that's still being renovated, so hope we can see the lights or the lanterns that is still hung up for Chinese New Year. Okay, traffic is not so good here. Traffic is actually fairly bad here. Someone's trying to turn. Let me just get inside. Alright, I'm sure everybody is trying to find for parking at the moment. Oh, it's there. Okay, at the middle of the road, seems to be able to capture both sides of the road. So the angle of the lens is pretty good actually. Okay. Alright,